7 Ways to Improve Maintenance Inventory Management, Part 1. Number 1. Parts Tracking. As we outlined above, searching for parts can be a huge waste of time and money. If an hour of unplanned downtime costs $1,000 in lost labor and a technician spends 15 minutes looking for a part in a disorganized storeroom, that's an extra $250 down the drain. Having an inventory tracking system allows you to keep tabs on stock levels and location. This enables technicians and engineers to see if a part is available without having to physically check the storeroom. Accurate inventory tracking also prevents duplicate ordering, which helps you stay away from costly overstocking. Number 2. Stock levels. Having the right amount of stock is key. You should never have too much or too little inventory in your storeroom. Start by determining minimum stock levels. You can do this by identifying necessary parts for production critical equipment, and calculating the average usage of these parts. You can also fine-tune minimum levels and reorder quantities based on supplier lead time. If done effectively, these strategies can help you employ just-in-time delivery at your facility.